Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. And look, we had a pretty wild market today. A lot of stocks look kind of similar to Nvidia. You've got Apple, same kind of thing, just a lot of long, big old dragonfly tails, and then a return to a higher low. I look at Apple, and what I see here is a stock that's got, I think it's going higher, but it's got, a bit of pain to climb through. Again, I think Apple's going higher. My bet is if you buy it tomorrow, you're going to make money. It's just going to have a hard time climbing through this wall of pain where all these folks that bought in the red square here aren't happy that they did. Of course, those folks that bought today are very happy that they did. I think the happiness is going to overwhelm the unhappiness, and the stock's likely to move higher tomorrow. Now, Nvidia, this is interesting. I like this pattern. This is the type of thing that typically you can see moving higher, and I think it will tomorrow. I think the stock's going to run up. I don't know. It could hit 600, but I would be guessing under the pretense of knowing something, and I don't. So I'm not going to lead you to think I do. But the way the stock traded today, it gapped down, traded way down, below the 50-day moving average, but then closed higher than it opened. And so that indicates some buying pressure into the close. Unless there's something weird that happens tomorrow, I think that buying's going to continue. I think you can be a buyer above 570. If you're buying this stock, I'm just writing this down for me. If you're buying the stock above 570, I think you can look forward to some pretty nice gains. But here's the thing. You may be wondering, what's this box? This box surrounds what the option market is implying the move will be tomorrow when earnings are announced after the bell. See, I think the stock has some room to go in the morning. It wouldn't surprise me to see the stock start to run up, but the implied move is about 38 bucks, give or take. So this down here is 38 bucks from here. This is 38 bucks from here. So this is really the range that you're looking at for where Nvidia is going to trade, is likely to trade. And the options market's typically not wrong. Okay, so if the stock trades anywhere in here, it's actually all normal activity. Here's the good thing though. If it trades outside of here, like let's say earnings are crappy and the stock moves down, which I doubt, hey, it's semiconductors. There's a huge shortage of semiconductors now. So I guess I'm just guessing, but I would guess that Nvidia is going to have pretty good numbers. I would just say this. If the stock falls down below this box, I think you can buy it because it's an abnormal move and the stock will come back into the box. Okay, so just be aware of these levels. Tomorrow during the day, I think it's going to be a good day trade throughout the day. But then what you want to do too is take this box, 38 bucks up and down, and then apply it to wherever the closing price is, because that's really where the move is going to come. Like 38 bucks up, 38 bucks down from the closing price. Now you've got the range for Nvidia. Okay, I'm holding a training session tomorrow, and we'll be looking at this among other stocks at 8:30 Pacific time. So if you're not a member, join us on our free trial and you can show up. I'm kind of windy, as you might have noticed. So they typically are intended to be half an hour, 45 minutes. It's probably going to be over an hour. So there's going to be a lot of stuff to cover, and I hope to see you there.